Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have come with totally a new kind of thing, and that's the axis cube. I mean, that's not the axis cube. That's the Mastermorphics cube. Actually, I had made this video on my previous tutorial. I think. I mean, not the tutorial, the video in the Facebook page. You can see, you can find it, right? And the axis cube is here, and that's a totally a new kind of thing. It's colorful. It's colorful. Both are totally quite likely same to each other. I mean, they're totally quite analogous. I mean, you can say that they are 99% analogous or 100% analogous. The shape is quite little different, but you can, if you can solve this, you can also able to solve this quite easily. And according to me, guys, according to my primary concern, I think Rubik's cube is the primary thing. I mean, if you can solve the Rubik's cube well, you can solve the mirror cube, apple cube, and the mirror cube, apple cube, and the, I think, and what is left? Mirror cube, apple cube, and the pyramid is not the thing. Yes, the windmill cube. And the windmill cube, you can easily able to solve it. And if you can solve the Rubik's cube well, if you can understand the Rubik's cube well, you can solve it quite intuitively. And this also, and this also, I mean the Mastermorphics cube also, and the axis cube also. The axis cube is quite a little bit tough than the Mastermorphics cube, but I think if you can solve this, you can able to solve this quite easily. Okay. And if you can able to solve this, I mean, suppose these are the centers are like 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6. There are 6 centers, and same is there is another 6 corners. I mean, today there, this also has 6 corners, and this also has 6 corners. And as you can see that the colors are not so well, and they are all symmetrical. What I mean to say that they are all symmetrical, and in this axis cube they are all not symmetrical. The shape are like quite jumbled. That's why, I mean, they are like, if you can shuffle it, you can see the shape is not okay. It's like the ghost puzzle. But as you bet further mention it, that the ghost cube is like totally quite bit tougher, because the ghost cube shapes are like totally like a dark, I mean the evil, I mean not the evil, I mean it's quite like, it's quite a little bit tough also, because the shape is very irregular in sizes. But this, as you can see, these are not the irregular in sizes. So I think you can solve this quite easily. But the ghost cube is a little bit tougher according to my concern. And one thing I would like to mention, that I have bought it from the Amazon, and obviously you can guys bought it from the Amazon, Flipkart, or whichever store you may go, or you may like, you can bought it, or whichever website you may trust, you can buy it from there. And but for me, if you want me to advise you that from which website should I buy, my primary concern is to buy from Amazon, because Amazon is the largest shopping website I can see, as so that I am able to tell that Amazon is the quite trusted website, and you can pay online also, and Flipkart also. But Amazon is, for me, Amazon is quite little bit trustier. I mean, I can trust Amazon very much easily than any other websites. So I like the Amazon, that's why, because I am buying all the kinds of stuffs and things, and some gadgets, electronics gadgets, whatever, from the Amazon. That's why. Okay, so without wasting time, now let's proceed with this axis cube, right? So according to the Rubik's cube, what we had done, we have to choose the first the plus sign, right? And first we have to choose the middle piece, and that we have to place in the bottom, and then we have to choose the plus sign from that thing. Suppose we have choose the plus sign, I mean from the white side of the Rubik's cube, then we can solve it from the white side to make a plus sign up to the first layer. Then the remaining edges we have to solve the corner pieces, right? The same thing we are doing in this way also. So let's find a middle piece. Where is the middle piece? Yes, that's the middle piece. I think that is okay, because red is my favorite color, that's why I'm choosing the red blue, and the red blue combination is quite good also for me. So let's start. What we should do, that we have to make this turn up to this turn. Okay, now it's okay. And 1 second, and yes, I have to make the all the portions. No, that's not the portion. I think I have to make it to the go to the upper layer also. Yes, now it's okay, and now it's turned to this side. Okay, and now let's see the blue pieces. Where is the blue pieces? So I think I've completed the 25%. I think, yes, I have completed the 25% of the cross piece. So where is the blue piece? Okay, that's the blue piece. And the other blue piece, where is that? I think I have to make a turn in this side. Yes, now it's matched. As you can see, the 50% is complete. Why I'm saying this 50%? Because as you can see that we have to match this thing also, right? So let's proceed with this thing also. Where is the yellow piece? Yes, that's the yellow piece. That's the yellow piece. Let's turn it over in that side, and let's fold it over in that side. Okay, and now let's turn it in this side, and let's turn in 1 second, and let's, I think, yes, let's turn in that side. Yes, I'm getting a little bit puzzled. It's completely okay though. Yes, now it's okay, right? It's okay. Now this matched quite luckily, and now the 25% remaining. Let's solve it also. Yes, so as you guys can see that we have completed the plus sign of the axis cube. It's like completely analogous. All the plus sign, like Master Morphic cube has the plus sign, Rubik's cube has the plus sign, the windmill cube has the plus sign, Apple cube has the plus sign, Master Morphic cubes I mentioned it earlier. Media cube also has the plus sign. What you can see, if you can see that all like the square cube in that kind of thing, like the first layer and the second layer and the third layer, and similarly in this case also first layer, second layer and third layer. So if you can see that all are like analogous to the Rubik's cube. If you can understand the Rubik's cube easily, I mean quite intuitively, you can able to solve all kind of thing intuitively by your own. But if you have to understand the algorithms, all kinds of algorithms and some sorts of stuff, which algorithms goes to which process and which algorithms make in this side to this side. So you can solve it, or you can figure it completely quite easily. That's why. So let's make the fill up, let's fill up the red pieces, right? So where is the red pieces? Okay, let's find the yellow piece first. Okay, I think it has to be go in there. Now it's matched. And where is the red? Yes, that is the red piece. I think I have to make, no, I think I have to place in that side to make further round and place in that side, right? And where is the blue piece? Yes, that's the blue piece. So I think the blue piece is not will be easily solved. So I think I have to again fold it again to place in that side. Okay, now place in that side. Okay, one thing is left to complete the first layer of the axis cube. So let's make it. Okay, so hooray guys, we have completed the first layer of the axis cube. So now let's proceed to the second layer. The second layer is quite a little bit difficult, not difficult. If you can figure it, the Rubik's cube, the second layer, the Rubik's cube quite intuitively, you can solve it easily. But the algorithms are totally different. Or if you can able to make your own algorithm, you can do it by trial and process, or trial and error method, whatever you may call. So let's do this. Okay, so from where should I start? Okay, let's start from this side. This is in the left position, so let's face in this side so that it can be disturbed any further. Okay, now it's okay, and now place in that side. As you can see, this is matched, right? So if I can make in the art position and move in that position, it's automatically completely in goes to down position, and all is matched, right? As you can see, all is matched. Similarly in all the cases also. Let's solve the easy first. Okay, I think this is going to be okay. Yeah, let's start. I think this is not okay. I think I have made a mistake also. Okay, we'll figure it out, but first let's try it again. Okay, now let's try again. Okay, I think I have to place in that side, because this side and this side is matches, right? So let's try. Oh, 1 second. Let's solve these spaces, then I will try that thing. Okay, no, I think I got mistake. The second layer I think is difficult for me, but I don't know guys how you can solve it, but for me it's a little bit difficult also, frankly honestly saying I am. Okay, I think I can make a mistake, so let's fill it up. Okay, now where is the pieces of the, yes, these pieces, right? So let's turn it. No, I think it's not matching. So what should I do? Okay, I think let's place it in the right position, right? So we are guessing, we have to guess that we have to make the algorithm in this moment. So let's try it. It's in the right, so I think it has to be go in there, right? Go in there, go in there, go in there. I think again not no, it's, I think it's going to be okay. No, not again. Okay, I think okay, let's try this, then we have to, then we will try that. um, okay, the video is going to be longer, but stay with me guys, you will find it funny and also interesting. Okay, now let's start the remaining thing. Okay, now let's make it that done. Wait. I mean, it's quite a jump. No, that's not going to be okay. I think let's turn in that side, right? The red piece is in the left, so let's see if we can place them in the right side in this position. So I think we have to make in the left, so let's turn in that side, so we can make in that side, so we can place in that this position, right? So turn in that side. No, it's not going to be okay. So let's try the left pieces. Let's make it in the left pieces. I think no, this is not going to be okay. Okay, I think somehow something is wrong. If you can see in that side, did it work? No, it will not work. Okay, let's see in by in this side also. Okay, let's see by in this side. Okay, now it's matched, thank god. Okay, this thing matched. Now let's proceed with this thing. Okay, now let's see what will happen, right? So let's turn in this side, let's turn in this side, let's turn in this side, right? It will match. No, it will not match. So let's press this side. Now let's turn in this side, 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 Now it's matched. Then in this side, no, it's not going to match. I think it has to be matched in that way. Now place in this thing. Yes, now it's matched. And one thing is left. The 75% you have completed the second layer, the 75% completed, and now we have remaining with the 25%. And because I find that personally I find that, to be honest, I am saying the second layer is a little bit tougher for me. Okay. If you can derive the algorithm, you can derive also by trial and error process. Okay. Okay, it's matched. Let's see. Okay guys, so luckily or whatever, by using focus, aim or purpose, whatever, by complete focus, we have completed the second layer of the XS cube, right guys? So congratulations to us, right? Now let's start with the third layer. Third layer is not so trickier. Third layer is completely okay. Like you can solve the third layer of the Rubik's cube, you can solve it quite easily. The third layer of the Rubik's cube means the Rubik's cube, mirror cube, and the windmill cube and the apple cube. So let's start with this thing. Okay, nothing is matched. We have to make a plus sign, right? But to make a plus sign, I think it's a little bit trickier also. But time to time, you will, by practicing, you can solve it easily. Okay. One second. Okay, these things are matched. I mean, this thing 180 is matched, right? To protect this side, I think we have to place in that side, and let's put the plus and algorithms of the third layer of the Rubik's cube. Okay, now place again. Okay, so guys, we have completed the third layer of the, I mean not the third layer, the most interesting and the most hard part, or interesting part, or whatever part you may say, the most interesting part of this third layer, I mean the plus sign. Okay, the plus sign is quite not so easy to find, because we have to make some probability guess also. From that we can use the algorithm, and we are using the intuitive process, that's why. Okay, and the video is going to be longer and longer, so stay with me guys, there is no need to be panic. And it's going to be a lot more fun, or much more fun. Okay, now let's start with that thing. What I am using the algorithm, that is the r-d-rd, right? The r-d-rd, you can use it if you can quite guess the, if you can figure it easily the sizes according to the comparison method of the Rubik's cube with the XS cube, then you can solve it easily. I mean, from where to where you have to manage the r-d-rd, right? Okay, I think we have completed. Hooray guys, we have completed all the layers of the XS cube intuitively or figuratively, or whatever you may say. It's quite entertaining, right? I think you may find it entertaining or may find it interesting. Okay, hope you guys like it and enjoyed my videos. I think this quite time consuming. The second personally I believe guys, the second layer is quite a little bit tougher. If you can see that the second layer took much longer time than the others layer, right? So I think the video's length is going to be second by second, it's going to be 19 minutes and 40 seconds, 41 seconds. It's going to be longer, that's why. Okay guys, so hope you have enjoyed my videos, and see you in the next video. For now, bye bye guys, see you on next videos, right? Okay, bye.